Hello everybody. I thought I would make a little tutorial of how to get to the daily assignments every day on Canvas. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to bethelsd.org. And then I'm going to look at the top menu bar and I see My Bethel. I'm going to click on My Bethel, and this is what your child will do on their iPad to find the daily assignments. So they click on My Bethel, and then it will take them to this login. Now this is what my login looks like, so I can show you how to get there, but their username and password are different. So their username is their lunch number without a 0 in the front, so just the plain lunch number, and the password is their birthday with the year. So it's the abbreviated month dash number day dash number year. So my birthday, Feb dash 12 number dash if I was born in 2010 or 2011. That's the year that these students are born in. So now I'm going to log in. Let's wait a moment for it to load. Okay. And then it's going to take me to this My Bethel page. Now I have a lot more in my favorites block than your student would, but they can always add to their favorites by going to this 4 window pane up here. So see these 4 window pane? Down here I have all these options I can add to my favorites. And when I click on one, I can add a little star. Canvas Instructure is the place that I'm going to add to my favorites. And you can just click it here also if you don't want to add it to your favorites. So this is where the daily assignments are. I'm going to click on that. And then once I get to my Canvas page, I'm going to go to courses. And I believe I have a lot more courses than your child would, but you're going to click on 3rd grade. And then here is my home page. I'm not sure why my pictures aren't showing up, but you can click on announcements on the side here or the announcement button on my main home screen, and that will take you to the exact same place. So I'm going to click on announcements. And then here are the daily lessons, okay? Now, I don't take any links down, I don't take any posts down, so you should be able to go back if you would like to. You don't have to, but they're always up and available. Now, I'm going to show you tomorrow's. This is Friday's. I haven't posted it. Well, it's delayed to post. And, okay, usually there's supposed to be a picture there, but underneath, this is the must-do section. So everything under the must-do section is what I'm looking for. It's what I'm tracking attendance through. And then there's the can-do section. You don't have to do everything in the can-do, but it's optional. And there's also the link to library, music, PE, technology, art, all of that if you want the specialists, what they've been posting as well. So all of this is just optional, but the must-do is what I look for. That is not optional. Okay, everybody. I hope that helped, and I hope you'll get to this tomorrow. Okay, bye.